Hey guys, welcome to Sarvaruchi. This is Gautami. Today I will share two breakfast recipes with one batter. This batter is very healthy and easy to prepare. In order to prepare this recipe, first we have to prepare batter. This is a barley batter. Process: first take 2 cups of barley. 2 cups of idli rice, half cup of urud dal and half cup of thick poha. This is the correct measurement for barley batter. Mix it and wash it well for 4 to 5 times. And this is washed well. Adjust water. Allow to soak for 6 hours. After 6 hours, it is soaked well and it is in double in size. Now grind it well into a smooth batter. We can see it is grounded into smooth batter. Now I am transferring half of the batter to a bowl for further use. And I am storing this batter in the refrigerator. This is the remaining batter. Mix it once. Once it is mixed, clean the ladle and set the batter neatly. Once it is settled, close the plate and ferment it for 6 hours. After 6 hours, open the plate. It is fermented well, that is frothy batter. Mix it once. It is perfectly fermented. It is very healthy. Add required salt. Added half tablespoon of salt. Little baking soda. This is optional. Add half cup of water. Mix it well in order to avoid lumps. Barley batter is ready. With this batter we can prepare both dosa as well as idli. It is very healthy. The batter should be slightly thick to prepare idli as well as dosa. That's it. Barley, idli and dosa batter is ready. Meanwhile, take the idli plates, add oil in it. Grease the plates with oil. Once it is greased, pour the batter in idli plate molds. Meanwhile, the steamer is preheated. Place the filled idli plates in the steamer. I have done one more plate. Place it. Close the steamer lid. Allow to steam for 10 minutes in the medium flame. After 10 minutes, open the steamer lid. Check with the help of a knife. If it is clean, means it is cooked well. Turn off the stove and make it cool slightly. That's it. Barley idli is ready. After few minutes, it is cooled. Remove the idlis from the plate. If it cools slightly, we can remove the idlis easily. It's removed. See, it's too soft and spongy. Transfer them into a plate. Serve with chutney as well as sambar. Really, it tastes great. That's it. Healthy and tasty barley idli is ready. Now we will prepare barley dosas. This is also very healthy and tasty. With the same barley batter, we can prepare dosas also. Here the pan is heated. Spread the oil. Pour one ladle full of batter evenly. Spread oil in the corners and center. Roast it for few seconds in the medium flame. After few seconds, it is roasted well. Flip it and roast it other side. Other side also roasted. That's it. Transfer to a plate. Serve with chutney. This also tastes great with chutney. Healthy and tasty barley dosa is ready. Try at home. That's it. 2 recipes with single batter is ready. Do like, share and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and also share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you.